Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious French toast. So for this you'll be needing 8 slices of bread. I'm using 8 slices, but you guys don't have to. You use as many or as little as you need. This is a Texas toast. It's just a little bit thicker than a regular sandwich bread. And you'll be needing 2 large eggs and 2/4 cup of milk. You can use whatever type of milk you want. And I have 3 teaspoons of sugar, and I have 2/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have some butter that I'll be using to grease my pan, and I'll be using about a teaspoon of almond extract. If you have vanilla extract, you can use that instead, but you guys know I always have this on hand. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start by cracking my eggs. Just like so. And you guys know I like to remove that white part from my eggs. This part right there, I don't know if you can see the eye or whatever they call it. So I'll remove that. I do this, guys. This must be a Caribbean thing. We normally don't cook our eggs without removing it. Well, at least Haitians. If you're from another island and you do that as well, or any countries that you do that, comment below so I know that it's not just a Haitian thing. And to that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my milk. This is really easy, but yet it doesn't look easy once it's done because it tastes so good. So I add my sugar and add my cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon. And to that, I'm gonna add my almond extract. Like I said, if you guys have vanilla, you can use that instead. And now you're going to need a whisk and just whisk everything together. And once we have that done, we can start heating up our pan to start toasting away. Just keep whisking. And I like to kind of taste, just to make sure my salt is enough, everything tastes good. Not my salt, my sugar. And I will be needing, I will be adding a pinch of salt to this, guys. I totally forgot to mention that to you. So once I'm done whisking it, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. But all that will be listed down in the description box for you guys. Okay, so now I am ready to make my toast. Okay, so I have my stove set on medium. I'm gonna go ahead and take my butter and just basically brush it all over my pan. I'm going to try to add 4 toasts to this pan. So now all you're doing is taking your bread and soak each side of your bread. I don't like to leave it in long at all because I don't want soggy bread. So I'm going to shake it off and then just place it on the pan. Again, you're just gonna take it and quickly dip it in and shake off the excess. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram. Please go like my Facebook page. And come snap with me on Snapchat. Go like my Facebook page. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys. Just so we can try to connect on other social media, not just on Facebook. That way you guys can see what I look like and whatnot. So I'm going to let this cook until the butter is kind of turning brown a little bit. Until the bubbles are becoming smaller and smaller, and then we'll flip it over to cook the other side. So this should take about a good 3 minutes. Just make sure you keep an eye on it so you don't have burnt French toast. Okay, so these are done. As you can see, they are not burnt. They just have this beautiful color to them. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove them. both sides are done. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and remove them and continue cooking the rest, and I will show you guys what the final ones look like. Okay guys, my French toast is all done. As you can see, they look so beautiful. They are not soggy at all. So of course, I am going to taste with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one, and you can use maple syrup or whatever type of syrup that you want, and drizzle all over it, just like this. If you want to make it a little fancy, you can put some sugar in there, just like this, some powdered sugar. And then if you want to make it even fancier, you go ahead and put some mint just to pretty up your plate. And I'm going to cut into one with you guys. As you can see, it is not soggy inside at all. It still should taste like bread, except with this beautiful, delicious cinnamon flavor and whatnot. And then I'm going to give this a taste. This is so good. Like I said, it's not soggy at all because I do not like soggy bread. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I made this recipe over my birthday weekend, and my family and friends just absolutely loved it, and they wanted me to make a video on it. That way they can try it at home. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and again, please share these videos with everybody you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.